exoskeleton robot walker. Now I'll show you how to operate it, calibrate it, and make it useful. First, as soon as you turn it off, you'll see our company's logo, and you'll get the warning situation. You might read this, and once you are all in, you'll see the options. So this one is to lower this seat. As you can see, when you want to make a patient sit, as he'll be normally on a wheelchair, or is not, but you'll make the patient sit here, and you'll make it upright. I'll show you. So basically, the initial position will be this. You have to make a patient sit on this chair and tie their legs, on this legs. Once everything is in place, you have to, raise the seat. You will see an option of raising seat here. Now this is the final position. As you can see, it is very tight. Patient cannot go back. Once this is tied, do not go forward. You have to use this also, just so that patient is comfortable in moving. Now all the safety features are locked in. I cannot go forward, I will not go back. Everything is tight. And there are two pumps also on the side. If the patient is thin, you can also use them to hold their waist. Now this is all tight. Only my legs are free. Now to calibrate, there is an option to calibrate. If you can see in the screen, there is an option to calibrate. Once I'm in, I'll use the left leg calibration. You have to put the legs in a walking position, in a very straight position. I have already calibrated, so I'm not going to do it in the video. Now there are obviously three options: left leg movement, right leg movement, and the both leg. I'll start with the both leg first. It will show you, it will swing the safety pop-up that you are in the upright position and everything is tight. Once I confirm, I'll be in the operation screen. Now this, as soon as I start this, it will start. As you can see on my legs are now moving. Now this is a level 1 speed. I'll increase this to level 3 first, so that you know the middle speed. This is the third level of walking speed. Now I'll increase the speed a little higher. Now this is the fifth level of walking. I mean, there are 5 levels. Now it will go up to maximum 5 levels. This is the fastest a patient will walk. Right? As you can see, I'm very comfortable. There is no itching, no hardening on my legs also, and the movement is also very, very smooth.
Remote.
Now it will, as you can see on the screen, it will show you the exercise duration also, and there is a calorie count. And moreover, you can control this machine with the remote also. There is a screen, obviously, but everything on the screen you can also operate it with the remote. I'll operate it with the remote afterwards. Now I'll pause it. I'll go to the left leg only. As I confirm, once I start, this is only left leg. My right leg is straight. Now only left leg is operating. Now if you see, I'll start it again. Similarly, you can only operate the right leg also. And this is all battery operated. As you can see, it is not connected to anything. You can also move it with the patient. Obviously, you need an attendant to do that. But there are two handles behind. One is in front, so that patient can have a feeling of, they are walking. They are not stationary and walking, but they can also do that. And obviously there are many safety buttons also. If in any way the patient is uncomfortable, you just have to press it once and the machine will stop. Okay, now I'll operate it with the remote also. I'll show you just the
Also, you have the adjustments here. You can adjust the seat as per the patient height and all, and you can set the leg attachment also. You can increase or decrease the size of the same with the help of this plunger knob. You can lock it and you can pull it, and you can adjust it like this, and you can vary the size as per your requirement. This is also adjustable as per the size of the patient. Seat will be adjusted, and legs, knee attachment and leg attachment, foot attachment is also adjustable with the help of this plunger knob. You take out this plunger knob, this knob, and then adjust the height, then lock it. So it is good for all the heights of the patient.
Now I'll operate it with the remote. A very simple operation. This is the start. As soon as I started, you can see my movement is there, right? And if I go with the left leg also, I can go the leg. I'll just pause it. I'll use the the left leg one. Now I can increase the speed and all.
This armrest is also adjustable. You can vary the size of the armrest with the help of knob. You can increase or decrease the size.
You can increase or decrease the size according to the patient height by just adjusting these knobs. So, and you can see this is the armrest, the quality, and also you have the cushioning over here. You can see well,
There is no pain on the knee
yeah,
because
this kind of cushion, because that kind of thick cushion you are getting, so no knee pain, no pressure on the knee you can feel. So, and this is the remote feature. So you can operate by touch screen also, you can operate by remote also, and
this is
So-
in the calibrated state. This is like the stop state.
let's see.